Hello everyone. You know, this just isn't that hard to mount a magnetic Hall effect type of switch and remote sender on a garage door to your home security system. Now here we see, if you will please note that the sensor is at the top. It is above where the roller, that high roller with the lift bracket back there, is in the groove. So what's going to happen? This is so easy. This is easy peasy geometry. Just as soon as that door lifts, because we're in the groove already, that magnetic sensor will immediately pull away from the sensor, the sending unit, and it'll just be away from the cable and everything. It'll just be up and gone. Let's see if it works, because this is where you probably want to put your sensor. It's certainly where I wanted to put my sensor. It's just not that hard. You don't have to hang it off of hinges or do anything goofy. Hide it up there in the top corner. All right, see that blue light? There we go. Okay, I hear you. I feel you. I know what you're saying. You're saying, well, you know, I just don't have the confidence to squeeze my sensor in that position at the top of the door, sideways with the door. But remember, your geometry, if you have it, will be the same. See how we have that standoff roller? And it's going to immediately try to pull the top of the door back just about as much as it's trying to bring the top of the door up, because it's in that position on that curve. If you have that, you should be able to bypass that sensor and just put it on top. And there's nothing even close to it to bounce around. You just might have to have the right kind of sensor that has enough magnetic pickup distance, like this one does. Maybe yours is fat or a different type and won't work, but consider this as an alternate. Okay, if I can hold this, let's operate the little button here and see that it bypasses the edge of the door, bypasses the sensor. Do you see how that works? Now, if your sensor is particularly tall, maybe it doesn't do that. If your sensor doesn't have the distance that we have here, maybe you can't do that. But it's just not that hard to take advantage of how your geometry works.